Are you thinking about building an outdoor gazebo? One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right type of wood for your structure. There are many options to choose from, including cedar, redwood, teak, and ipe. Each type of wood has its own unique set of benefits and drawbacks. Cedar is a popular choice for outdoor structures because of its natural resistance to decay and rot. It's also lightweight and easy to work with. However, it can be more expensive than other options. Redwood is another great option for outdoor gazebos. It's naturally resistant to decay and rot, and it has a beautiful, rich color. However, it can be harder to find and more expensive than other woods. Teak is a durable and long-lasting option, known for its resistance to decay and rot. It's also naturally resistant to insects and decay. However, it's one of the most expensive options. Pea is a tropical hardwood that's known for its exceptional durability and resistance to decay and rot. It's also naturally resistant to insects and decay. However, it's important to consider the environmental impact of using tropical hardwoods like ipe. When choosing the right wood for your outdoor gazebo, it's important to consider factors such as durability, resistance to decay and rot, affordability, workability, and environmental impact. With proper care and maintenance, your outdoor gazebo can provide a beautiful and functional space for many years to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps